Today, I'm going to show you how to schedule your service appointment online. First, click Service and Parts, then Request Service Appointment. From here, you'll be taken to our Service Scheduler landing page. There are a couple different ways that you can log into our Service Scheduler. First, you can start by entering your phone number or email address and clicking Search. You can sign in with a Google account, or if you already have an account, you can manually sign in here. But today, I'm going to show you how to log in as a new customer. Now you're going to tell us a little bit about your vehicle. You can select Mitsubishi or Other. If you select Other, you'll just fill out your vehicle's information along the form. But today, I am going to select Mitsubishi. Then you'll select the year of your vehicle and the model. Then there will be other information that you can enter about your vehicle. If you do not know this, that's okay. Just complete your mileage over here to the right and go on to the next screen. Now you'll tell us what type of service your vehicle needs. If you need to make a mileage adjustment, you can do so here at the top. And then select our drop-down menu for service options. Our most common options will be listed up here at the top of the menu, but you can also scroll down to see a variety of other services for your vehicle. Today, I'm going to select Change Engine Oil and Filter, and then click I'm done. Do you need a ride while your vehicle's being serviced? Take advantage of our complimentary shuttle service by clicking I'll take the shuttle. Information about our shuttle will populate here, and then click Next. Now you select the date and time for your appointment. Once you select the date, the times available will populate. Select your time, and then you're ready to review your appointment. On the review page, if you already have an existing account, your information will auto-populate in the contact info box. If not, go ahead and enter your name, phone number, and email address. In the review box, you can review the service that you are requesting, along with any estimated charges. And then be sure to select if you would like to be reminded via text or email for your appointment. You are able to leave any additional comments below. And then finally, review the date and time for your appointment and click Schedule.